Guys, welcome to another video, and today we are gonna be mouse trapping. And I'm just doing one right now, but overnight it caught one, and I'll show you. Put it here along its trail, put a little piece of bread on it, and there we go, caught a mouse. Hopefully it doesn't have any fleas or something, because I'm gonna skin it and I'm gonna take the skin and dry it. So yeah, I'll get some more mouse traps or find my old ones, and yeah. Oh dang it, so many bugs. Okay, I'll take this, go up, see you there. So guys, we're here back at our cabin, and I'm thinking of just leaving it for the day because I don't really have a knife to do it with right now, and I'll get more mouse traps. Right, Ravenclaw?
Yeah.
It's nice out. For the first time in forever. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. Yeah. Hey guys, so there's a bird. Ravenclaw's watching it right now. Got the BB gun. See you in a minute. Alrighty guys. Holy smokes. This is the bird I shot earlier. No way. I'm sorry. I'm not going to get this on video, but I have to kill it. Alrighty, guys. It should be right here. It's not there. Where is it? I'm going to ask Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw, where is it?
Behind those stuff.
Behind the stuff. So it's right there. Okay, I can't afford shooting my dog, so I need to stop this video. So I'll see if I catch it or not. Ravenclaw, do you remember the one I shot earlier that was right there, but it didn't die?
Yeah.
It was suffering, and I found it, and it couldn't fly anymore. So I caught it. You want to go check that out?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go check it out. And here it is. Oh my gosh! Holy smokes, there's one right there. Can you give me that? Here, you can record me. Oh my gosh, that scared me so much.
See right over there.
Holy smokes, that's scary. I can't let them see the blood. It's on its thing. Oh, no, it's not bleeding. It was an instant die. That's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the wings, take the feathers off, because my dogs are really hungry. I'm gonna give it to my dogs, because we haven't fed them today yet. And yeah, that's a success for my.
Just taking off the feathers.
Alrighty guys, so you might say this bird hunting is cruel, but they've been going inside our cabin, those ones lately, and they've been pooping all over. So we're doing this, and this bird is definitely not gonna go to waste. It's gonna go to my dogs, and I'm gonna keep the wings. So since the dogs can't eat the feathers, I'm just gonna do this, and yeah, there we go. This is a fat one.
Yeah.
Hey guys, letting them dry out. Putting them right there. Actually, no. I'm putting them in there. Right in there, because we're gonna be back, and my dogs, I have to bring them back. And we're gonna go back, and yeah, I guess see you when we're getting, I don't know, I'll just see you the next time I see you. Alrighty guys, so I'm back home, and I'm gonna start the search for the mouse traps. Okay. I have 10 in one little thing somewhere, and hopefully I can find them. And I'll see you if I find them. Guys, so I found a broken one. Took a part off of it, put it on another broken one. There we go. We've got another one. We're in business. Still trying to look for my other ones, and we'll find them, hopefully. And yeah.
Toilet paper.
Alrighty, guys. So, unfortunately, couldn't find. Yeah. No. I honestly couldn't find the mouse traps, but as I showed you before, I got another one. So, and it's raining out. We're probably not going to be going to the cabin, which means it's going to get rusty, the one that caught the mouse. And, yeah. Why is my tongue blue?
Gum?
Oh,
Gum.
yeah.
Giant gum.
That's a giant gum. And, yeah. So, which technically means we're going to have to see you a different time. The next time we can check the mouse traps and put another one up somewhere. No, we can't zoom in on the front camera. And yeah. See you another day, or if it stops raining. Alrighty, guys. So I'm just gonna go set up the trap in my town. This one, just quickly, and I'm gonna. It's a bird. I'm gonna get it back once we're going to the cabin, cause it cleared up. Alrighty, guys. So I biked decently far, but this is a spot that I've caught a lot of mice before. I caught maybe 14, I think it was. And I have caught one here this summer too. So I'm gonna set it here, and I'll catch you back at my house. Guys, we made it to the cabin. Got new mouse traps. Gonna tie a string so it doesn't be able to get away, and yeah, see you in a bit. Alrighty, guys, so it's fixed. No, you're not gonna have the bread on it. And we'll go over there. I'll see you when we're there. Alrighty, guys, so I think I'm gonna put one trap here because there's a little trail there, and see you in a minute. The other one I'm gonna put right here along a bigger trail by this. So guys, let's check if the other one has caught one. And nope, not right now, but it's starting to become rusty. That's alright, they usually catch them in the night. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning, I guess. Okay guys, I'm gonna skin the mouse right now. And right here. And yeah, I'm gonna do it on a piece of cardboard. This is the next day. My glasses, as you can see what happened. I'm going and check them out. My iPad's 20%, so I need to go fast. Number 1, didn't catch anything. Number 2, oh no! It got away, no joke. The bread is gone and everything. Dang, we'll check number 3, our only hope. I'm gonna reset this one too. Nothing. Number 3. So, we missed one, and the other ones didn't catch anything. No worries. We'll be back again tomorrow. And we didn't end up sleeping over. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. See you tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, it's about 10. We checked it today. Boom! We caught a mouse! Yes! That's the one that missed the other mouse. This must be a big highway. So I'm gonna take that mouse, skin it maybe tomorrow or something, and then put it inside. And look, I'm using a cool backpack to recharge. And yeah, awesome! Caught a mouse. I wonder if it has fleas. Probably not. But yeah, I'm gonna set it again and see you tomorrow. Hey guys, you won't believe this. This is like 5 minutes later. We're going to check it. This one is still alive. It's still alive. Umenato pee. Holy smokes, we are on a highway. Let's go.
We just heard.
No, guys, I just remembered I forgot to record. But today was the biggest success, and I forgot to record it. We caught 3 mice. Dang it! Anyway, I've got 5 mice in a bag. They're gonna be right here, because I don't have a knife to skin them right now. And I'll show you the skins when they're dried and everything, but then I'm gonna end the video. So, see you when the skins are gonna be ready. Alrighty guys, so here they are, the 5 skins in total. Today I caught this one. I don't really know. This one was the one I caught after 5 minutes. This one wasn't it. I caught this one and this one and this one today. So yeah, that concludes it for today's videos. My poor glasses. Video, I should say. Not videos. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. Bye-bye.